y'all want to subscribe, good for you. You're just missing out on these awesome videos. But anyways, let's get it rolling. Hey guys, welcome back. Today's a great day to go pick some corn. What? Look at all that dust coming out of there from all that dirt kind of caked up. Up there it goes. That fan was kind of blowing it out of there. Now it's clearing on up. Yep, go pick some double crop corn. Good morning. That machine right there has a pretty nice cold start. It's in the high 30s this morning, and we have frost, which is a good thing because we still got some green beans out in the soybean field, so that'll kind of kill them off. But yeah, I'm hoping for next week we're gonna start soybean harvest and get 22 nipped in the bud. About halfway through cotton, so get her knocked on out. All right, we're out here double cropping. We're picking our double crop corn. Just sitting here rolling behind the combine with the old grain cart. But as you can see, this is gonna be peanuts next year. So we got corn stalk, we're gonna have corn residue, and you can also still see that there is rye. The rye stalks are still out here from when we harvested the cover crop. So we're basically going to have two types of organic matter out here in the field for the peanuts. It's going to be interesting to see. It's just that much less money we have to spend on fertilizer. But it's going to be interesting to see what, if there's any kind of poundage increase with the peanuts. But, yep, farming. Yeah, this corn, it's not yielding as much as wanted it to, because what happened, I mean, it started pollinating. We started, well, like one day it rained like almost like a ½ inch in a matter of an hour, and I mean, I was like, man, this is gonna be some of the best corn we've ever grown. And the month of August just turned off dry, and that's all she wrote. So it's got good, it had good pollination at the bottom of the ear, but the top of the ear just didn't fill out like it should have. But plus this corn, we're kind of, it's not really gonna, we're kind of getting it out of the way just to have another thing done. We checked some yesterday. It's picking about probably high 20s. So we're picking like, I think 25, 28, somewhere in there. So, I mean, the advantage to picking wetter corn is you're not going to have as much head loss or like head shatter. But then you don't get that volunteer corn. So it'll be interesting to see how much header loss we get if the chair won't turn. But yep, unloading. The old 9870's eating good. 4.7 mile an hour. Letting her eat. Daggone USDA inspector here is here. Just kidding, it's just Nathan. Old Nathan. Well, this is one part of the field that cotton looks beautiful. Well, yielding decent, but yep. Just rolling along. Got 2 acres left in this field. Well, actually at this farm. And we have a low pressure coming in. Whoop-de-doo. But good news is this thing's staying off the coast some. So hopefully it won't bring a lot of rain. My phone's been saying a 10th. If it's only a 10th, I'll take it. It's good enough. Need to replace, there's supposed to be a mirror over there, and turn that light back around. Problem is freaking tree limbs and everything else just sits there and whacks it right off. The mirror's in my truck. Went to Deere, looked at a mirror, $140 for a mirror that's probably 6 inches wide and 10 inches long. Yeah. Just a simple convex mirror, yeah, but you know, just want that moolah. But maybe if I hit the lottery, maybe I can afford to buy a mirror. But yeah, just rolling. See, I'm down to we're under 2 acres now, so just about done for the night. So I don't know if I explained this in the last video, but head number 4 right here, that's what I call the smart head. It basically, see how it's kind of got that little box kind of sticking out versus head number 3 right there? Basically, that is the brain. The brain is called Rotrack. There's 2 sensors or guides, whatever you want to call them, just sit there and they go back and forth, and they're constantly talking to the GPS screen. So basically it's coming up, those guides down there are basically coming up to here and telling it, okay, I'm on 0, you need to follow how I'm going. Don't mind the instant yield, or I'm in crappy cotton right now. But yeah, so basically green, see I can turn that off, turn it back on. See, that turns green. So, which is really nice when it's working, because you can sit here and do pretty much hands-free. But the other night the cotton was kind of iffy, so I kind of had to drive by hand for the majority of the field that I was in, just so I didn't destroy a bunch of cotton. All right, there's a good sign. Last 6 of the night, last 6 for the farm, for this farm. There's a bunny rabbit somewhere I just saw. Oh, there he is. I don't know if y'all can see him. He's just, go Peter Rabbit, go. Go Peter Rabbit, go. He's confused. He's like, do I go this way or do I go back in the cotton? Which way do I go? Anyways, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Don't forget, like, subscribe. Thanks, guys, for watching. All right, morning, TikTok. So along with my YouTube channel, Longview Farming, I think I'm gonna start doing these on TikTok. Why not? Getting the old 9870 blown off this morning. This thing is disgusting. I wish I could give it a bath, but you know, that would require a 3-day thing. Which why give it a end of the year cleaning when you're about to go pick beans and get it back nasty like that. So she'll just have to wait. Now let's get the old Milwaukee and give her a nice blow. I hadn't opened that one up in a while. Whew, that's right. This is going fantastic. This thing is my best friend. All right, got that fitting on the rotor. That's right there. Now I gotta get this fitting, and that's all the way in there. Y'all wanna see a 290-pound man like ball up? Well, you're about to see it. Hey there, friend. There puts the grease in the grease gun. All right, got that done. Well, she's almost good to go. Check the air in the tires, hit a couple things with the air compressor, and we're ready to hook the head up. Thanks for watching.